check out the Xiaomi SU7. The SU stands for Speed Ultra and 7 indicates its class as a middle-sized electric sedan. Luxury and performance are its attractions, aiming to rival the likes of Porsche Taycan. But with a starting price lower than Tesla Model 3 in China, it's been a hit, securing nearly 90,000 orders in just a day. Also, Xiaomi pulled off the design and production of this car in just 3 years, and it's beautiful inside and out. Unlike Tesla, it comes in a range of fancy colors. Performance-wise, it's up there with China's best. But what really catches the eye is its smart system, seamless integration between your phone and the car, plus lots of cool add-ons to choose from. Looking at test drive, better book it in advance. I've never seen such hype around a new car. Even at the Beijing Motor Show, the crowd is buzzing. Colleagues who've had a spin speak highly of it, and I can't wait to get behind the wheel of this car. Stay tuned.